everyone and welcome back to my channel Trixco Janvi. So as we know that at times we face problem that we want to type in Hindi but don't know how to do so. Most of us only know how we can type in English but not Hindi. So how can we type in Hindi? Most of the people will say that there is a website named as Google Translate, and if anyone will type there anything in English and will select the translated language as Hindi, then it will be automatically converted into Hindi. But these all are online services, and there are many more websites like this. But you have to be online to do so. So, is there any software with the help of which we can type in Hindi while we are offline also? So the answer is yes. There is a way by which we can type in Hindi while we are offline also. So let's see the way. For this you need to open the language setting by searching it on the search bar of your laptop, computer, etc. After this you need to click on the add language option. Now you need to search Hindi in the pop-out tab. Then you have to click on next and then insert. After this, you have to click on the Hindi option, which will be added under the preferred language tab. Now click on options and then click on the add keyboard option and the keyboards tab. Now you need to click on the Hindi phonetic option, and if you want you can remove the Hindi traditional or button by clicking on it and remove. So now let me show you how to use it. For this you need to click on the language bar in the right hand side of the taskbar. After this, you will be able to see all the language you are preferring at the present moment. So in this, you need to click on the Hindi phonetic option. So now it is all set up and you may use it for typing. But do remember one thing, that you need to write in English in order to use this, like the way I am doing right now. So thank you for watching my today's video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post video. Thank you.